Stamp tool. It is a simple tool which is used to put a stamp and add images in your drawing. Tux Paint already has some inbuilt stamps. Additional stamps can be downloaded from the following website: www.tuxpaint.org/download/windows. Further, select the link Tux Paint #stamp #2009.06.28 #win32 #installer.exe. On installing the stamps file, we can see various categories of stamps in the sub-toolbox. Click the Stamp tool. Choose any one stamp from the sub-toolbox. For more stamps, click the right or left arrow. Select the cock stamp. You can also increase and decrease the size of the stamp using the slope bar just above the colors palette in the sub-toolbox. Now click on the canvas and the stamp will be pasted. Likewise, select the heart stamp and paste on the canvas. We can also use the mirror image of the selected stamp by choosing the mirror option below the right and left arrow keys in the sub-toolbox. Click on the mirror button. Now paste the selected stamp besides the previous stamp. Students, let us talk about the patterns of brush shapes. Tux Paint gives us an option to draw beautiful patterns using the Paint tool. We can select any of the pattern shapes from the sub-toolbox. Let us see how many beautiful patterns we can make. Select Paint tool. Now you will see the brushes sub-toolbox on the right-hand side. Select the filled circle shape and choose brown color from the palette. Draw the stem of a tree. Scroll down and select the vine shape. Select green color from the colors palette. Move the pointer to the drawing area and draw the leaves by clicking on the stem. You will see a beautiful tree as shown in the figure. Similarly, select other brush shapes and see how many different patterns you can draw. Okay, let me now tell you about Lines tool. Lines tool is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns. It works quite similar to the Paint tool. The Lines tool has the same brush shapes in the sub-toolbox as in the Paint tool. The only difference between Paint tool and Lines tool is the order in which the drawing is displayed. While using Paint tool, you can see the image which you are drawing at that very moment. On the other hand, while using Lines tool, you will see only a straight line from the starting point to the ending point. The pattern appears only after you complete the line and release the left mouse button. Now let us draw a pattern using the Lines tool. Select the Lines tool and choose any pattern from the sub-toolbox. Draw a straight line as shown in the figure. When you release the left mouse button, you will get a straight pattern in place of that line. If you draw an inclined line, you will find an inclined pattern. Let me tell you how to save a file. Tux Paint provides an easy method to save work using the Save tool. There is no need to mention the file name. Tux Paint saves your file as a thumbnail rather than giving it a file name. The naughty penguin confirms that you have successfully saved your file. Let us understand the process of opening a saved file. To open an already saved file, click on Open tool. You will see all the images that have been saved in Tux Paint till date. Click on the image that you want to open. Now click on Open button.